Yasin, the CEO of Mark Foundation, the representative of Minister of Health and Social Welfare, National Assembly members here present, the representative of the Governor West Coast Region, the Alcalo of Combo South, the Regional Director of Health Services, the Director, National AIDS Secretarial, the Chief Medical Director, Edward Francis Small Teaching Hospital, the executive members of FAP, members of the press, all other protocols duly and respectfully observed. Ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor to welcome you all to the launching of this Mark More Than a Mother awareness campaign in the Gambia and to commemorate the World Cancer Day. I must begin by expressing my heartfelt appreciation to the people of Sanyang for the warm welcome accorded to us in your beautiful Combo South. I also welcome Dr. Rasad Kele, the CEO of Mark Foundation, to the Gambia, and I wish to thank her and her entire team for the offer to become a Mark More Than a Mother ambassador to champion the cause of infertile women in the Gambia. As health remains dear to my heart, I wish to reiterate that I wholeheartedly accept this offer with the hope of changing the lives of many women and families for the better. In ensuring this, I have been engaged in various humanitarian ventures intended to improve the lives of vulnerable groups of society. My overall ambition to contribute meaningfully to improve the lives of all Gambians, with particular focus on women and children. Hence, making sure that these vulnerable groups of society are a priority and addressing the issue of infertility collectively and effectively to resolve the problem in the Gambia and Africa as a whole is important. Ladies and gentlemen, in partnership with my foundation aims to empower infertile women in the Gambia by ensuring that they have access to information, education, and health services everywhere they are. In order to achieve this, we need to collectively work together with all stakeholders, including the communities and traditional communicators, religious and traditional leaders, health and social workers, development partners, and various arms of government, in order to be able to change the mindsets that impede infertile couples from getting the necessary treatment and support. The government also had an important role to play in terms of adopting the right policies to enhance access to regulate safe and effective fertility treatment and care for all Gambians. Ladies and gentlemen, this awareness campaign will help us shape in the overall understanding of the challenges that infertility poses to our development agenda as a nation. It is very clear if we hope to tackle infertility in women and men, we must approaches that address the cultural and structural drives that increase female stigmatization and discrimination among others. Raising awareness in infertility and breaking the common misperception that offers lead to violence, stigma, and discrimination against women who consider infertile is a key in addressing the challenges that women are faced with a daily basis. It is therefore hoped that this awareness campaign will usher in a cultural shift that will not only provide the persistent health and social services, but it will also enable and empower the women concerned for reintegration within their societies and families, and also be provided that the necessary tools and means to become self-sufficient. I also wish to point that infertility does not only affect women but also men, who should be encouraged to seek medical assistance together with their partners. Ladies and gentlemen, this issue of infertility had been a key priority for me, My experience during the launching of MARC Foundation in Cairo has reinforced my zeal and determination with regards to creating awareness on infertility, and I pledge to do more work with stakeholders on infertility, commencing with the people here in Sanyang. I look forward to working closely with the community of Sanyang for a start, and I am certain that your support and determination, we will all be able to achieve our overall goal and also serve as an example for other regions and communities who will hopefully follow the suit in this countrywide awareness campaign. For this reason, my foundation, FAP, together with MARC Foundation, will embark on various awareness campaigns to ensure that all infertile women and men receive the treatment and care that they so well deserve. Ladies and gentlemen, I now wish to declare the MARC More Than a Mother campaign officially launched in the Gambia. I thank you for your kind attention.